Hey, Dad, I just had some Mountain Dew.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I did. I drank the whole can.
Oh, God. Buddy, you know you get crazy when you drink caffeine.
I'm crazy all the time, Dad. Just extra right now.
Oh, God. Hey, Michelle?
Do you think I can break the wall with my forehead?
Have you seen the eyes of pen? Have you heard the cry of pain? Have you felt the aching hunger and tears falling like rain?
Welcome to gym class, everybody. Today we're playing baseball.
Squat up. I call pitcher.
Now shut up. I'll be choosing positions.
Okay, sounds good.
Jordan, pitcher.
I'll make you proud, sir.
Ricky, outfield.
Okay.
And Trevor,
Yeah?
you're gonna be a base. Go lay down on the Alright, class, to celebrate Thanksgiving, we're gonna play the thankful game.
I'll start. I'm thankful for bread, food, and monetary.
Okay, yeah, that's a good one.
I'm thankful for myself. Honestly, I'm pretty awesome.
I like the confidence. Okay, I guess I'm thankful for Lord Voldemort. Jeremy, that's not a real. He is real! He is!
Yeah, Tommy, you know I speak in a British accent when I'm sad, and my heart is absolutely shattered.
Oh, gosh, Barry, I can't believe she broke up with you after only 3 days.
Hey, shut up when I'm teaching. Hey, how about you shut up, Mr. Q? This man is hot.
Making that apple cider. Check it out. From the apple bin to the washer. All right, down the line. Up the conveyor. Again, I'll grind it up. All that goodness, get it folded up and filtered. Let it flow. Flow and go. We call it liquid gold. All right, flows in there. UV filter. Cold storage. And then we bottle it. If you like fresh apple cider, like this video.
I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it.
Life is a wonder!
You'll never know the answer.
Nature's a miracle!
Natural disasters.
It's good to be alive!
Could wake up with cancer.
But I'm healthy!
Healthy people still get cancer.
I love this show!
It's the last episode.
The sun is shining!
It's going to explode.
Every species is...
Work all day in the fields, milk cows again, eat supper, then go to town and stay past midnight at a meeting of the school board. So God made a farmer.
I'm too tired for this. Just be quiet until mommy gets her coffee, okay, hon? Okay, sorry. I just got some important news for you. What? The cops are here. They took your car. Oh, gosh. I'm going to jail.
Someone will take the time. Don't go looking, babe. Here I am. Now if you want a real good friend, or if you need some sweet loving, or if you're looking for someone who won't pretend, don't go looking, babe. Here I am. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life's just a flash, forever dying. The shortest space between hell and goodbye. There ain't no use to sit around crying.
Let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of the...
I'm a big kid now. Animal crackers in my soup. Monkeys and rabbits loop the loop. Gosh, oh gee, but I have fun swallowing animals one by one. In every book.
So today my sister got 2 goats. We get home with the 2 goats and she decides I'm going to let my goat down to run around in the yard. She lets the goat down to run. The goat takes off sprinting into the woods, okay? She takes off after him all in one motion. Dogs are chasing and everything, like running full sprint through the woods. All in one motion, the goat changes position, runs straight to the pool, and dives in. What does my sister continue to do? Dive in after the goat. It's fine.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be.
So as you can see, when this popcorn plant's growing, it's about 10 foot tall. But as we get closer to winter, it falls over, and this protective husk, the water will run past it and not get this ear of popcorn wet that's hidden inside. But then we come along and grab it and pick it, put it in a bucket, take it back to the house, clean it up, package it, send it to grocery stores so you guys can eat.
Farmer, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah. But you know what? I'm not having fun. I'm cold, I'm muddy, I'm wet. It's a freaking mud hole no matter where you go, and it's 35.
Waiting for you in a town where I've always stuck around. It's always easy when I see.
If you want to know how to call horses and cows, this is how you do it. They down there, right? Woo, woo! Woo, woo! Look, they coming, they coming. Woo, 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 woo! Woo, woo! Look, there she goes. She coming over here, too. Come here, Panky. Come here, Panky. Come here, man. He running, look. Woo, woo! Look at them, man. They both coming. Come here, boy. Come on. Hey, what y'all doing, man? They all coming. Hey, boy. Come here, let me pet you, man. What's up, Panky? What's up? Look at Rob. Look at Rob.
McDonald's will make you fat. They serve Big Macs. They serve quarter pounders. They will put pounds on you.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass.
You can't come around just as you please. Pretend to wear your heart on the sleeve. Claiming to have found this inner peace. I just count the minutes till you leave.
Every singer needs a song. Every bell cries out to be around. Every dawn.
Oh, hello, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Talking to your own parents. Hey, kiddo, dinner's ready if you're hungry.
Okay, cool. Leave me alone, Dad.
Okay, hey, I love you.
Yeah, I bet you do. Now get out!
And talking to your friends' parents. Hey, kids, I got some dinner if you guys are hungry.
Oh my god, sir, you are too kind. Thank you so much.
Her bed like shoulder, hot in the coupe and skirt. Am in the cool like swear. Damn, gotta have pop they perk. Good morning. Today is a wonderful day.
Salagadoola, metricaboola, bibbidi bobbidi.
Where is he? Kevin! Oh, hey, Kevin, what's up? Good morning, Kevin. Hi, Kevin.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. Tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see.
Run.
Rebecca, you are the prettiest girl in Brooklyn. Thank you, Sue Jeffers. Will you accompany me to the mysterious wedding today?